Guys, this is another day of my conference in Dubai. So मैं रेडी हो चुका हूँ और थोड़ा सा लेट भी हो चुका हूँ. So आज जल्दी जल्दी में जा रहा हूँ. ठीक है, मिलते हैं फिर तुमसे. बाय बाय.
Just again is based on that whether it is a passion or not. What I said with you was give them the ball. Yeah, for that. Maximum 2 balls at one time. So you can put some balls over here, so you have to come back. 4 balls.
I'm media.
Choose the 2 balls, and then 2 balls you can do. Yeah, 2 balls at one time. All right, ready? Action. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah. Yes. Don't touch with your hands. Don't touch with your hands. No way. No way. No way. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Slowly.
No, go back. Go back. Yeah, go back again. Go back. No.
Hold it. A little down.
Let them take the chance. Let them take the chance. Well done.
That means the shield that we use during our freedom. And if we check the map, we'll see where the Kenya is. And
Excuse me. Oh, no one is here. Guys, we are going for the city tour now. बस में बैठ चुके हैं. Let's go Dubai. All set. We are ready for the city tour. People of different countries here together. You can see. He is from India. एंड बाकी सब अलग अलग कंट्रीज से हैं. काफ़ी सारे लोग यहाँ पे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. यहाँ से तुमको दिखाऊंगा मैं. ठीक है.
I am saying everyone to you most welcome to Dubai, and also I want to welcome to the Rise Up event planner to Dubai. As up to my knowledge, everyone is from different nationality.
Yes.
So it was a great event that the event planner they make for you the opportunity. So most welcome to Dubai. Now we will cover the most iconic landmark, that is Dubai frame, the world tallest frame that is present in Dubai. And the second spot we will cover in Dubai is the Dubai Burj Khalifa, that is world tallest tower, that is also take a world record for their height. And after that we will go to the Palm Jumeirah, from where we will see the iconic man-made island, and also there are different type of hotels present in the Palm Jumeirah. The main attraction where they mention in the itinerary, there is Atlantis the Palm. After that we will come back to the main area, that is DFC of Dubai, where we will go to the Future Museum. We don't have any entry ticket for this attraction. We will just visit outside for each and every spot, and I will show you other landmarks from the bus. These 4 spots we will just take a photo shoot. I will give you a chance at least 15 to 20 minutes in every spot according to the time. So I will be happy if you took their photos, and if you take the memory of Dubai with you, because I love that you come again and again with us for this lovely and unforgettable city to take your memories and do something good with us. you know, we are in the city that is called UAE, United Arab Emirates. So Dubai is the one of the state that is in UAE. There is 7 states in the UAE. The capital state of the capital state of the UAE is Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi, everywhere, you know, the president of the UAE is always from the Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi is the Arabic word. Abu mean father and Dhab mean gazelle. So you know Abu Dhabi name after the gazelle that were start struggle for finding the water in the desert. You know, this all is the desert area. And the second state that is we are now in, that is Dubai. Dubai is very popular and tourists for their landmarks and for their beautiful buildings, skyscrapers. It is very popular for that. And the third one, that is the Sharjah, that is attached to the Dubai. And Sharjah is the Islamic state mostly people know for its culture, because there is so many museums that is represent the UAE culture that is start from more than 2000 years ago. And the attached that is to the Sharjah is Ajman. Ajman is also very a transparent glass. You can see the one side old and the second side new Dubai. And when we come to the end of Dubai frame, you will see the future. How will be the future of Dubai in 1971? So it means after 1 century, how will be the Dubai look like? They represent the future of Dubai in Dubai frame. The old area of Dubai is ending in this part. After that, the new area, that is DIFC and downtown Al Barsha up to the end of Dubai border, that is the Jebel Ali, that is called the new area of Dubai. The downtown area, you can see the Burj Khalifa that is present in the middle of the downtown. And Dubai frame is the like a photo frame. This differentiate the old and the new area of Dubai.
Where is Dubai frame? I can't see it. Oh, it's there. Oh my god. That side of the road. That's that side of the bus. I think so. No. It's just behind this building. I hope there is no traffic signal. We can see that. That is Dubai frame.
In Dubai, there is a local transportation system is present. One is Dubai, and the station, that is bus stop, that is air conditioned bus stop, is present. After every 5 minutes, the bus is coming to pick you from the location and get you to the next stop. On our
This is
left
Dubai
side, there is a Dubai frame. You can see there is the tallest Dubai world frame is present in Dubai.
So guys, we are here. दुबई फ्रेम अंदर तो नहीं जा रहे हैं आज, कल जाएंगे. मैं मतलब पर्सनल जाऊंगा कल अंदर. अभी बाहर से बस देख रहे हैं, ये ग्रुप के साथ है. ठीक है, ये देखो, ये पीछे एंट्री गेट है. ये पूरा ग्रुप है पीछे हमारा. ठीक है, तो लेट्स हैव सम फोटो शूट. दिस इज दुबई फ्रेम. पीछे अभी फोटो शूट चल रहा है. एंड इसके बाद मे बी हम बुर्ज खलीफा ही जाएंगे. So वहाँ मिलते हैं.
Building that is called the Etisalat Tower. In every Emirates, there are 7 Emirates. In every Emirates, there is a Etisalat building, and the representation of the Emirates, the Etisalat building is the Gulf on their upside. and there is mostly the signaling and IR system is installed in this Golf, and you can see the all Emirates ruler textures on this building. On our left side, you can see the building that is white, like hollow structure. The hollow is represent the unknown future. Right side, that is the downtown. You can see MR everywhere on the building.
Yeah.
So MR is the property builders. That is the company.
Guys, this is the Dubai Mall. We are not going inside right now, but we'll visit this place from inside tomorrow, maybe. And there's a maybe traffic signal behind, in front of us. That's why we have stopped here. You can see the skyscrapers. This thing? What thing? Oh my god. It's looking so magnificent. Guys, we are out of the bus and this is Sokal Bahar, जो कि है एक market यहाँ का, and this is our very famous Burj Khalifa. We are here. You can see the beauty. Yeah. वैसे तो मुझे दुबई पसंद नहीं था, but now I am liking it. I mean.
हाँ बोलो. I'm not. अभी इसका कोट साफ करो.
Wait a sec.
टिश्यू है.
Yeah. You can use this. So this is Palace Downtown, and we are going inside. It's so huge. Here you can see this is Burj Khalifa, है ना? And ये अभी हम हैं पैलेस डाउनटाउन के अंदर, जहाँ से हम बुर्ज खलीफा के साथ फ़ोटोज़ लेंगे. ठीक है, फ़ोटोज़ ले ले यार. रेडा रोल्स रॉयल्स. हाँ मतलब इंडिया में भी मिलती है ये, बट चलो यार अब बस जा रही है तो चलते हैं. अब पाम जुमेरा जाएंगे. चलो, फ़ोन की बैटरी मरने वाली है, तो आई डोंट नो मैं कितनी देर तक कवर कर पाऊँगा. एंड आई विल ट्राई.
Sebenarnya dia punya bateri bawa habis sudah. Lepas tu tapi kepala otak ni dia tak bawa dia punya power bank. Lepas tu dia minta dekat sini lagi. Nak cakap apa pun tak tahu.
So guys, I don't know what he is saying. Bye. Sorry, nothing. So I was
Okay,
saying
this
that
now we are moving toward the
let's see
Palm
what
Island.
happens. Now we are going to Palm Jumeirah as I said, and थोड़ा सा ट्रैफिक जैम है, and मेरे फ़ोन में literally only 2% बैटरी बची है. So let's see if किसी के फ़ोन से मैं वीडियोस बना पाया, then great. नहीं बना पाया, फ़ोटोज़ तो फिर भी खिंचवा ही लूँगा. ठीक है.
Have you seen Karthik's movie?
मुझे बुर्ज अल अरब नहीं दिख रहा है.
The underwater tunnel that is connect the main way of the Palm Jumeirah to the crescent that is 1.4 kilometer. It will come on our way now. We will get a group photo in Atlantis the Palm. Atlantis the Palm Hotel is a 22-floor high building, and the total room in Atlantis the Palm is 1,544 rooms. It is on east monorail stations. After that, we need to walk to the front of the Atlantis, the palm, for the group photo to this spot.
Oh my god.
Okay? So we need to walk little bit, please. Be patient. Thank you.
सॉरी गाइस, थोड़ी सी क्वालिटी अच्छी नहीं है फ़ोन की, बट अब मुझे कुछ तो मिला रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए। ये है वर्ल्ड्स एक्सपेंसिव होटल एटलांटिस, दी एटलांटिस, जिसमें 1000 प्लस रूम्स हैं। एंड हम फ़ोटोज़ लेने वाले हैं इसके बाहर से। सो लेट्स गो, लेट्स गो। हे, oh, that was Lamborghini. Yeah, I just saw that. That one. Now we are up for the photos, group photos, जो कि हमारे कैमरामैन लेंगे और वो हमें मिल जाएंगी बाद में, बट थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा। So let's go. Photo shoot is going on here. This is Atlantis, and we are at the Palm Jumeirah Island, man-made island, and this is our last second spot. इसके बाद एक जगह और जाएंगे, फिर होटल, फिर देखते हैं, थोड़ा सा घूमेंगे, उसके बाद भी जल्दी अभी नहीं सो रहे हैं।
Al Maktoum is present in front of the Future Museum. So the logo of the Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum says victory, wisdom, and love. The symbol is like hand.
यहाँ पर couples rent करते हैं।
It is in front of the Future Museum. One thing is that I told you already.
Spend night in the ocean.
Yeah, spend a night in
Oh my
ocean.
god.
ये दो couples के दो रहते हैं और ये लेते हैं लोग।
This is Dubai's Future Museum, and हमें ग्राउंड फ्लोर का एक्सेस मिला है, तो वहाँ तो हम जाएंगे ही आज। बाकी अंदर हम जाएंगे 29 को, यानी कि परसों। ठीक है, सो लेट्स गो गाइस। मे बी इफ़ यू आर एबल टू सी दैट, यहाँ एक हैंड स्ट्रक्चर वाली जो थिंग है वो सामने दिख रही है, ये दुबई की रीत है। सो ओ माई गॉड, these guys are stuck there. मैं थोड़ा सा आगे जाता हूँ। So that's the hand thing. Maybe you are able to see it or not, I don't know. That's the hand thing, and this is the entrance of Dubai Future Museum. So we are going inside because the ground floor entry is free. So they have came. Let's go. That is the hand. Okay, let's cross the road. Oh my god. Let's go inside. That hand thing, right? Yeah. This is Future Museum from the inside. So पहले अपन चल के वो हैंड वाली चीज़ के साथ फोटोज ले लेते, फिर यहाँ देखते हैं हैंड थिंग। It shows something like this.